Hello friends, welcome back to class 12 physics rotational dynamics. We will see third application of uniform circular motion, that is vehicle on a bank road. What is banking of road? The process of raising outer edge of road over its inner edge through certain angle is known as banking of road. Banking angle, the angle made by the surface of road with horizontal surface of road is called banking angle. We will see vehicle on a bank road. The points are most safe speed, banking angle and speed limits. Let us start with most safe speed. Figure shows the vertical section of a vehicle on a curved road of radius r banked at an angle theta with horizontal. AC inclined road surface, AB horizontal surface, G center of gravity of vehicle, N normal reaction, theta angle of banking, mg weight of vehicle. Now this angle theta, this is also theta. Why is this angle theta here? Now see, this line is exactly parallel to this AC surface. Now put this point G on this surface and draw the same diagram as it is. Now see here, this mg extends up to this surface. Draw the point D. This angle is 90 degree and therefore this remaining angle is 90 minus theta here. This is opposite angle. This is also 90 minus theta. This complete angle is 90 degree because normal is exactly perpendicular to this road surface and therefore this is 90 minus theta, then this angle is theta here. Observe this diagram. This normal reaction is resolved into two components, that is n cos theta and n sin theta. This n cos theta balances the weight mg and this n sin theta, that is horizontal component, that is the resultant force and which is equal to the centripetal force. Now we can write n sin theta is equal to centripetal force, that is what is formula for centripetal force, mv square upon r, that is equation first, and this n cos theta equal to mg, therefore n cos of theta equal to m into g, that is equation number second here. Divide equation 1 by equation 2, we will get n sin theta upon n cos theta equal to mv square upon r upon mg. Gets cancelled, this nn gets cancelled, sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta is equal to v square upon rg and therefore v square is equal to rg into tan of theta and therefore take square root on both sides. We get v is equal to square root of r into g into tan of theta, and this is the most safe speed of a vehicle on a bank road. Banking angle, you know the equation, that is n cos theta balances weight mg and n sin theta balances the centrifugal force, that is mv square upon r, and therefore n sin theta is equal to mv square upon r, that is equation first, and this n cos theta equal to mg, that is equation second. Divide equation first by equation second, that is n sin theta upon n cos theta equal to mv square upon r upon mg. Mn gets cancelled, nn gets cancelled. Tan of theta is equal to here v square upon rg, and therefore this angle theta is equal to tan inverse of v square upon rg, and this is banking angle. Vehicle on a bank road. Speed limit, lower speed limit. Figure shows the vertical section of a vehicle on a bank road. We know that most safe speed of a vehicle v equal to square root of rg tan of theta. Let v1 be the lower speed limit, then we can write condition for lower speed is v1 is less than square root of rg tan theta, and therefore from this we can write mv1 square upon r is less than this component, that is n sin of theta. Observe this equation, that is n sin theta is greater than mv1 square upon r, and therefore n sin theta, this is greater than that of the centrifugal force, that is n sin theta is maximum than centrifugal force, and that's why it pulls towards this side, and therefore force of friction is opposite to that of the maximum force, that is Fs also divided into two components, that is Fs cos theta and Fs sin theta. Now observe the diagram, that is this n cos theta and this Fs sin theta balances the weight mg. These two components are parallel and at each other. Therefore n cos theta plus Fs sin theta equal to mg, and this n sin theta balances the centrifugal force, that is mv1 square upon r plus parallel component to the centrifugal force is Fs cos of theta, that is mv1 square upon r plus Fs cos theta equal to n sin of theta. Now we write the first equation, mv1 square upon r plus Fs cos theta equal to n sin of theta. Therefore from this equation we can write mv1 square upon r equal to, that is n sin theta minus Fs cos of theta. This is equation number first. And now we write the equation number second, that is this plus this, that is equal to mg, that is n cos of theta plus Fs sin theta equal to mg. Now write down this mg towards the left side. We can also write that is mg equal to n cos theta plus Fs sin of theta. This is equation number 2. Divide equation first by equation second, that is mv1 square upon r upon mg equal to this n sin theta minus n sin theta minus Fs cos theta divided by this n cos theta plus Fs sin theta. Now this gets cancelled. For minimum possible speed, force of friction is equal to mu s into n. Put Fs is equal to mu s into n in this equation, and therefore we can write v1 square upon rg equal to, that is n sin theta minus mu s into n into cos of theta divided by this is n cos theta plus mu s n into sine of theta. Now divide numerator and denominator by n cos of theta. Therefore divide numerator and denominator by n cos of theta. We get that is v1 square upon rg equal to n sin theta minus mu s into n cos of theta divided by this n cos theta plus mu s n into sine of theta divided by n cos theta divided by n cos theta. Now see here, that is v1 square upon rg equal to, that is n gets cancelled, sine upon cos, that is tan of theta, minus this n cos theta gets cancelled, minus mu s upon, that is n cos theta gets cancelled, that is 1, plus here sin theta upon cos theta, n gets cancelled, that is tan theta, mu s into tan of theta, mu s into tan of theta. Now this rg goes towards the right side, that is v1 square equal to rg into bracket tan of theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s into tan of theta. Take square root on both sides, that is v1 equal to square root of rg into bracket tan of theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan of theta. And this is the lower speed limit, and we can write therefore v1 minimum, that is v minimum, and therefore v minimum equal to square root of this rg tan theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta, mu s tan of theta. Now for minimum value, what is the value for minimum? That is v minimum. When it will become 0? When this numerator becomes 0, and therefore if mu s equal to tan of theta, then v minimum becomes 0, because tan theta minus tan theta equal to 0, and 0 into something that is equal to 0 in this case.